This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Calendar and creating a dedicated work calendar so events stay organized. Once done, pick a color and set the correct time zone to avoid confusion across shifts. Make sure to add your standard working hours and default notifications, for example, 10 minutes by email or pop-up, so you get consistent reminders. Doing this now saves editing later and ensures all entries inherit these settings when you add meetings or shifts. Next, create detailed events for each shift. Include exact start and end times, locations, and a short description of duties. Once comfortable, use recurrence rules for repeating schedules, daily, weekly, or custom, to avoid manual entry. Attach files like shift guides or forms when relevant. Then share the work calendar with teammates and assign appropriate permissions. View only for transparency or edit for managers who update shifts. This keeps everyone aligned. Finally, refine your schedule by color-coding shift types and stacking calendar layers to spot conflicts immediately. Make sure you sync the calendar to your mobile device and enable integrations like Zoom or Slack so links and notifications travel with events. If something goes wrong, for example, an event disappears or shows at the wrong time, check the calendar filters, confirm time zone settings, and verify sharing permissions. If edits still fail, reload and reauthorize the app integration to restore proper access and updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.